Hello everyone, I'm Lalita and hearty welcome to my YouTube channel Vbacus. In this video, we are going to learn multiplication of two numbers with different two bases. Let us start. Multiply two numbers with different below bases. Here 998 times 94. 998 is near base 1000. 94 is near base 100. So difference of bases is 10. 998 is 2 less than 1000. 94 is 6 less than 100. If we take 998 and subtract 6 by multiply 6 by 10, that is difference. So that will become 60. If you subtract 60 from 998, it will come 938. Or you can take 94 times difference minus 2. Again, you will get 938. Now multiply minus 2 times minus 6. That will become plus 12. So 938 times 10 plus 12 is equal to 93,812. So this is your final answer. Let us go to next sum. 9,993 times 98. 9,993 is near base 10,000. 98 is near base 100. 9,993 and difference of bases is 100. Now 9,993 is 7 less than 10,000. 98 is 2 less than 100. If we take 9,993 minus 2 times difference of bases, that is 200, if you will subtract, you will get 9,793. Or we can multiply 98 times 100 and subtract 7. Again, you will get 9,793. Multiply minus 7 and minus 2 and you will get 14. Because if you multiply minus with minus, your answer will come positive. 9,793 times 100 difference of bases and add 14. This 7 times 2. So you will get your final answer, that is 9,79,314. There is one more sum where one number is below base and one number is above base, and there is a difference of bases also. 9,996 is near base 10,000. 110 is near base 100. Difference of bases is 100. 9,996 is 4 less than 10,000. 110 is 10 more than 100. If you take 9,996 and multiply this 10 by difference of bases and add it, so you will get 10,996. Or you can take 110 multiply by difference and subtract 4. You will get again same answer, 10,996. And multiply minus 4 times plus 10 and you will get minus 40. So here you have to multiply 10,996 times 100, that is difference of bases, and subtract 40. So you will get 1099560. So this will be your final answer, that is 10,99,560. There is a homework and you can write the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to watch more upcoming videos from this channel, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.